Yes. Hello once again. Yeah, this is this and that, and the channel which we normally use, we visit just to learn English grammar, mainly for the beginners. And last session we had a look on the foundations of grammar. It was part number one. So this time we are going to have a look also on part number two, which is named as nouns. So first of all, subscribe, press like button, and also share and comment to this video and support. And helms hari information ushaka kubaza phone information, you can contact the those phone number either through WhatsApp or call, and any support is most welcome. So let us now begin our session of this moment concerning nouns. So first of all, what is noun? So buri wese defining noun mu buryo bwe ashaka, but this time let us have the common sense, the common information on noun. What is noun? What are examples of noun? What noun corresponds to, its significance, and whatever. So simply, noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Noun ni iki? Ni ijambo rihagararira umuntu, ahantu se, ikintu se, igitekerezo n'ibindi. Pfa kuba ari ijambo, that's noun. Izina mu ijambo ry'ikinyarwanda ni izina, a noun. Kandi izina ni izina ry'umuntu, riba riri kugaragaza uwo muntu. Izina ry'ahantu riba riri kugaragaza aho hantu. Even izina ry'ikintu, that word that describe that thing is a noun. So nouns help us identify people, objects, locations, and concepts. Noun idufasha kugira ngo tugaragaze cyangwa se tumenye abantu, ibintu, ahantu se, ndetse those sorts of concepts or ideas. Hano hari some of the examples, but ibikoresho, abantu, whatever, ahantu, those are the nouns. So examples here: teacher, umwarimu; city, umujyi; book, happiness; desk, Eric; Sam, Peter; Claude. Those are names. Okay, so let us now have an example, but in a sentence form. Remember, we have seen the foundation of grammar. The sentence should be grammatically correct. So we have the sentence which is: the teacher reads a book. The teacher reads a book. I think you can now identify about through the even this sentence which one is a noun. 2 seconds. I think you have got the right answer. The nouns here are the teacher and a book. This is the verb. Remember, this is an article. This is also an article. So teacher and book are nouns. So I think at this point we all know the meaning of noun. Kugeza ubu nizere ko tumaze kumenya icyo noun icyo ari cyo. I mean izina. Noun mu Kinyarwanda ni izina. Izina usanzwe urizi, amazina y'ibintu, amazina y'abantu, amazina y'ahantu. Those are nouns. So in the following slides, we are going to have a look on we are going to see all about the different types of nouns. So types of noun now. So I think mufite ho mwari muri kwandika, you have a notebook just for noting something, because we are learning, and later on you can meet a certain challenge or an idea or point of addition. Just you will be writing it in the comment section. It is open for you. So we can distinguish like 6 types of noun. So this time we are going to have an overview, but in the following session we will be having a look on each of them. First one is common nouns. The third one proper noun. The second one common noun. Then proper nouns, concrete nouns, abstract nouns, corrective nouns, countable and uncountable nouns. So those are the 6 types of nouns I have prepared for you this time. So make sure we are together. So we are going now to be heading one by one. First type is common nouns, which do we normally call amazina rusange in Kinyarwanda. So those ones who may hear Kinyarwanda, I'm saying amazina rusange. So common nouns name general people, places, or things. Na amazina rusange nyine. They are just general. They are describing general people, places, or things. They are not capitalized unless at the beginning of a sentence. As you know, modernization is advanced. In the previous session, we have seen capitalization, where it is it has been shown that while you are starting the sentence, you should just make the first letter capital or in uppercase, and also the names are written using the capital letter. But here, the common nouns are not capitalized. They are still written in lowercase. A whole noun. So here we have an example. Unless it is starting the sentence, please. While it is starting the sentence, it should be capitalized, but this time it can't. I think it can't. It would not also start the sentence because, for example, if you are starting with a boy, a boy, you can't say boy is or school is smart. You can say the school is smart or a school is smart. So it means that school can't start the sentence. School will never start a sentence. So examples of those common nouns we are having: boy, school, car, dog, river, and also and so on. Those nouns which are for places but common. Listen, general places, not the specific one. You have to notice that we're having general people, general places, and general things. Then sentences. An example, of course, in the sentence: the boy, as I said, boy can't start the sentence alone. We will need the article there. So that in the article there kugira ngo tube turi grammatically correct. So tuvuge tuti rero, the boy plays with the dog. The boy plays with the dog. Umuhungu cyangwa se umwana muto w'umuhungu arakina n'imbwa. Akina n'imbwa. Umwana muto akina n'imbwa. So that was the common nouns. And you can, of course, try to make a research on them just to have many ideas. So let us now have a look on the proper nouns. Tuvuye ku mazina rusange. Now it's the loom on the time for the proper nouns or amazina bwite noneho. So for those who may understand in Rwanda, so we are now rending on no proper nouns. So proper nouns are those nouns which are used to name specific people. Remember, the first one, which is common nouns, it stands for general people, places, or things. Ahantu rusange, ahantu rusange, niba ari ahantu rusange, just for example nk'aha ngaha ku ishuri ni ahantu rusange. School is general place. Boy is general people. General thing, we may say river. uh, now we're having now proper nouns. Proper nouns, now we have also specific, not now general. So proper nouns are used for specific people, places, or thing. They are always begin with a capital letter. Examples. So before, this is now the turn for proper nouns. They are telling us that they are always written using capital letter or in uppercase. Buri gihe amazina bwite atangizwa n'inyuguti nkuru. While writing those proper nouns, you just remember that you should start that noun with a capital letter, or the letter which is starting must be in uppercase. I think we are together. So let us now have an examples. Some of the examples, please, because there are many. Proper nouns are many, but now we're having sample. So let us now have John, Africa, Kigali, and Monday. So those nouns of the days, nouns of maths, nouns of people, nouns of specific places. For example, as it is given, this Africa is the continent. Someone may say America, another one may say Europe, another one also may say Asia. This is Asia is a specific place. But also you can say England. England is a specific place. Those name of people who are specific places and specific things are all called proper nouns. So here we are having an example, but in a sentence form. John lives in Kigali. So this highlights that Yohana atuye i Kigali. So John is a people, is a person, sorry. John is ntabwo ari umunyeshuri ahubwo ni umuntu tutazi icyo akora. So John is a person. Means that his name should be or must be written by capitalizing the first letter. John is a specific person. Lives, this is a verb, this is a preposition as we had in the introduction of them. Then Kigali is a noun for specific place. You can't find many the common places whose name is Kigali, but this is the common one. So by this session, let us stop by here. We have seen what noun is, and we proceeded by having a look on types, and by this time we are closing this session by having a look on proper nouns and the common nouns. Common nouns. I think that is that we are now having a couple of packages. Next time tuzakomeza, we shall proceed with other types. I hope we shall see concrete and abstract nouns next time. So thank you for watching this. Thank you for liking this, and also thank you for commenting. Please commenting, subscribe, and then if you're having an idea, you are having support, you are having a question, you wanted to learn English in whatever area, reach out us by contacting this one. So thank you. Let us meet next time. Love you.